Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use filter with column chart. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to create first column chart. Simply select the data and go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column chart. In 2D column, select the first chart and here you can see the column chart inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. If you want to increase the size of chart, just simply drag the corner point and you can increase the size of the chart. Okay, and just click on the chart and here you can see the chart filters option is available. Just click on the chart filters option and here you can filters the categories series. Okay, in categories, when I keep cursor, see the changes in the column chart. I deselect all and I filter some April, March and May. Okay, and click on the apply and see here the changes in column chart. Only March, April, May column is showing. Okay, so this is a way you can easily filters in column chart. I select all, okay, and click on apply and see here the filter is applied. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.